ሰላም ኣትወዲ ከመይ ትውዕሉ ደሓን ደውዕልኩም ከመይ ኣለኹም alright ከምቲ ልሙድ ከዓ ሓበሻ ኤዱኬሽን መፂኩም ኣሎ መዓንቲ ከምቲ ኣብ ርእስና ትርእይዎ ባይደን ካብ ዝውድድር እንተዘይ ኣዝሊቕካ ነቶም ለገስቲ ወይ ከዓ ገንዘብ ዝህቡ ፋንድ ዝህቡ ከባቢ 9 ሚልዮን ይኸውን ዶላር እንታሽም ገይሮም ሆልድ ገይሮም ሒዞም ኣለዉ ማለት እዩ so ከባቢ 240 ሚልዮን ባይደን ነዚ ምርጫ ዝብል ዶኔት ተገይርዎ ወይ ከዓ ተለጊስዎ ትራምፕ ከባቢ 310 ሚልዮን so ሚልዮን ቢልዮን ኣይኮንኩን ኢለ ሚልዮን so ናይ ባይደን ካብቲ ከባቢ 240 250 ከባቢ 9 እቶም ገለገለ ሰባት ሒዞም ኣለዉ ምክንያቱ ያ ቦቃ ኣይኮንካን በቃ ትወርድ ኣለካ ካብ ስራሕካ እዩ ባይደን ከዓ ስቲል ዋላ ሎ መዓልቲ እውን ክቕፅል ኣለኒ ዝብል ዘሎ ሰናቢና ክንኣቱ ኣሕዋት በቲ ሶርስና ክንቅፅል እንታይ ይመስል ንቐፅል እዚ ከዓ ኣብ ውሽጢ 48 ሰዓታት ኢኻ ይተረፈ ማለት እዩ so ብሙሉኦም ዲሞክራቲክ ልዕሊ 18 ይኾን ዲሞክራቲክ ተኣኪቦም he have to be out ጠጠው ክትብል ኣለካ ዝብል ናብ ካማላ ሃሪስ ናብ ክሓልፍ ኣለዎ እታ ቫይስ ፕሬዚደንት ነበረት ንሳ ኣዘ ፕሬዚደንት ኮይና ንሳ እውን ትራምፕ ክትወዳደር ኣለዋ እዩ ወይ ከዓ ካልእ ሰባት ክመፅኡ ኣለዎም እምበር ባይደን is enough እዩ so نسمع قربما كابون دقصنا نشتي analyze قبرنا حوالي alright let's get it right breaking news بزي أخن جمرنا
This is coming out from Democratic
yes.
President Joe Biden has about 48 hours left. This is coming out from Democratic donors. We're hearing that they're going to be withholding $90 million to the largest pro-Biden super PAC if he stays on the ticket. And essentially, there's an ultimatum for Joe Biden. He needs to step down, no longer move forward, or they're going to be withholding all this money. This is not only going to be negatively impacting Joe Biden directly, but also the Democratic Party and all those that are on the 8 hours left. This is coming out. President Joe Biden has about 48 hours left. This is coming out from Democratic donors. We're hearing that they're going to be withholding $90 million to the largest pro-Biden super PAC if he stays on the ticket. And essentially, there's an ultimatum for Joe Biden. He needs to step down, no longer move forward, or they're going to be withholding all this money. This is not only going to be negatively impacting Joe Biden directly, but also the Democratic Party and all those that are on the ticket. So they're saying it is
yeah እንታይ ብሕፅር ዝበለ ኣብዚኣ ማለት ካብ ሶርስና ክንኣቱ እንታይ ዝብ ዘሎ መስልኩም 40 ኣብዚ ውሽጢ 48 ሰዓታት ፕሬዚደንት ባይደን እንድሕር ጠጠው ተዘይብልካ እቲ ገንዘብ ክንበካ ሓሲብና ነበርና ኣይንበካና ዛ ዓይነት ትመልሲ so with hold ገይሮም ኣለዉ ሒዞም ኣለዉ ከባቢ 9 ሚልዮን ይኸውን ዶላር ሒዞም ኣለዉ እዞም ሰባት እዚኣቶም ነቲ ንምርጫ ወይ ከዓ ነቲ ዲሞክራቲክ ምርጫ ዲሞክራቲክ ምሳተውን ንምርጫ ከባቢ 250 ሺሕ እንዲተዋፅዩ ካብኡ ከባቢ 9 ሚልዮን ይኸውን ተታሒዙ ኣሎ so you have to step down ባይደን ዝብሎ ዘሎ ኣብዚ ውሽጢ ከባቢ ናይ 48 ሰዓታት ጠጠው ክትብል ኣለካ እዩ so ባይደን ከዓ በቲ ኣንጻር ሎም መዓንቲ እንታይ ልመሊሱ ነው ኣምና ዝተባይ ገብርኒ ዝጀመርክዎ ስራሕ ክፍፅም ኣለኒ okay I like that good ማለት እዩ ጀመርክዎ ስራሕ ከዓ ክቕፅል ኣለኒ so እንታይ እዮም ዝብሉ ዘሎ as a gifted ሞ ትራምፕ ኢና gifted ንወሃብ ዘለና እንድሕር ባይደን ቀፂልካ ትራምፕ is gifted ኣሕዋት to be saying that እንድሕር ባይደን ቀፂልሲ yeah no matter what Trump is coming it's just for sure ማለት እዩ already Biden is done so according to ኩሉ ንሪኦ ዘለና ዲሞክራቲክ ኮንሰርስ ይኹን okay ንቐፅል ኣሕዋት ተቐዳሚት ነጥቢ ግን ኣብ ውሽጢ 48 ሰዓታት ድሮፕ ክትገብር ኣለካ ከምኡ እንተኮይኑ እቲ ገንዘብ ፋንድ ንሕና ክንብኦ እንድሕር ኮይና ከባቢ 9 ሚልዮን እዚ ገንዘብ እዚ ጥራይ ንባይደን ኣይኮነን ብሙሉእ ነቲ ዲሞክራቲኩን ፅልዋ ዘፍጥር እዩ okay let's move forward ዘለና ሶርሳት ክንሪኤና ኩሉ ኣሕዋት okay let's go with it 18 democratic all right let's do it
for now President Biden still trying to restore 24 now President Biden still trying to restore confidence among Democrats after misspeaking multiple times during the news conference yesterday.
That of course on top of concerns about his debate performance last month. As of today a total of 18 Democrats are now calling for him to drop out. NBC's Peter Alexander has details.
ከባቢ 18 ዲሞክራቲክስ ማለት ኩሎም ንሎም ዘለና ኣብቲ ጽፍሒ ዘለዎ ኣብቲ ሞስሊ ሃውስ ሪፕሬዘንታቲቭ ኣካል ዘለዎ ከባቢ 18 ሰባት ይኾኑ 18 ዲሞክራቲክ not like single person ኣይኮንና ንዛረብ ዘለና ካብቶም ሓለፍቲና ንዛረብ ዘለና በቃ you have to drop out step aside like ጠጠው በል እዮም ዝብሎ ዘሎ so you are not fit ማለት thank you Biden is did great they are right ካ ጽቡቅ ባይደን ጽቡቅ ጌርና ጽቡቅ መሪሕና እዩ ካብ ኢንፍሌሽን ነበረ ዓዲ ወጣ ኣሎ he did great he's a great president but it's enough is enough ማለት ወዲ 82 ዓመት ወዲ 81 ዓመት ንሕርኮን ከአናዘር 4 years ክትወስኽ ኣይትኽእልን ኻ so 18 ዲሞክራቲክ ጠጠው በል ይብሎሎ so ንስኻ I have to say okay እቲ ፖሊስ በቃ እቲ ምርጫ ናይ ፖሊስ በሃል ንሱ ጥራሕ ይጠጠው ከብለን ዝኽእል so he said MB is ዘሎ ማለት ንቐጽል ነዚ አንሪያ ዘለና ጀም 18 ሰባት መነመንም ንራዮም
reaction pouring in from President Biden's doubters and defenders.
All right, look this. እዚኣ ኣብዚ ኣነ ኣብነት ትማሊ ኮንፈረንስ ነይሮ ፕሬስ ኮንፈረንስ ነይሮ ትማሊ ባይደን ኣብዚ ኣነ ባዕሉ ክልተ ጌጋታት ገይሩ ሕዋት ክልተ ጌጋታት ተንጌጋታት ኣብዚ ኣኽነውፀና so I was like ትማሊ ላይፍ ነርና I was like god damn it Biden come here what are you doing about it so you got to be strong እቲ ዳሜንሽያ ዝበሃል እቲ ሜንታሊቲ ናቱ ናይ ባይደን እንታይ ኣሎ በሲልኩም ከም ዝምርሳዕ ኣሎ ሕጂ like تحمام I'm not nervous by the way I don't know them nervous دكاتره كገልጾ خلي እቲ ዲሜንሽናቱ እቲ ናይ ሜሞሪናቱ is not active fast ኣይኮነን እቲ ናይ ምርሳዕን ከምዚ ናይ ምዝራብ ሰንተንስ ፉል ሰንተንስ ናይ ብሓቂ ንድቦ ገሩ ኣይገልጸን ዘሎ እቲ ኤጅ ካላ ኣይኮነን just of course when ክልተን ዓመት እንተርከካ ናይ ዕድመ ኣሎ ሕማም ኣሎ ሁሉ ማለት እዩ ለሲ ኣብዚ ዘምጾ ጌጋታት ክልተ ጌጋታት ትማሊ ዝነበረ ናብቲ ኮንፈረንስ ፕሬስ ነበረ ማለት እዩ was important መዓልቲ ነይሮ ናይ ትማሊ let's see that
following that nearly hour-long news conference in which he insisted he can do the job for another 4 years.
Like he said that. Yes, no, I will do it. Okay, I start the job, I will finish it. Yeah, of course he can do that. But what are you doing this, Biden? Like you are giving us as I'm democratic. I'm a democratic. Yeah, democratic is actually what are you doing this? Are you giving us Trump? Just gift? That's simple. You got to think about it, right? ክትሓስብ ኣለካ ክትሪአለካ ክትመምለካ ይዘለቱ ጉዳይ ማለት እዩ so ንሓደ ሰዓት ይኸውን ዝበሎ ስፒች እንተ ሰምዑ ነርኩም like nonsense ማለት ምሻለኩም አሎ ነጥብታት ዝዛረበ ግን some big confuse ነይሩ ማለት እዩ let's see what happens
I'm not in this for my legacy I'm in this to complete the job I started
like his legacy like what isratat ኮይኑ ልዕሊ 40 ዓመት ይኸውን ኣብቲ ዋይድ ኣብቲ ይጸንዩ ካብ ሴኔት ናብ ያ ምክትል ነይሩ ናብ ኦባማ ነይሩ ካሊ ነይሩ ኣብኡስ ነዊሕ ሰሪሕ was legacy ክብር ኣለዎ ብጣዕሚ ክብር ኣለዎ ማለት እዩ so እዚ ጀመርኮ ግን ከወድእ ኣለዎ ሕጂ it doesn't mean እንታይ ምለም ሓይቶም መስልካ you have respected ክቡርኻ ሕጂ ጠጠው እንተትብል ግን you gotta live with it I don't know ናብቲ ካልእ ካይና ኣትዳ እምበር ካልኡን በል ናብዚ ግን ክንገርፋርን እሽተ
while also saying other Democrats could win the election.
But there are other people who could beat Trump too.
Well, this is the point. This is main point. He knew it. Okay. أنا أطرح حكم كني Trump beat كجبر زخل كسعر زخل كالون beat كجبر خليه من لالو. That's the most important. We have this point. Yes, he believed that. Not only him. He said, I'm the best in you. Of course, he's the best, Malik. He said, I'm the best. I can fit it. But there is another one. Kaluna low, democratic, Trump beat Gobro. All right, then. قرب مؤتوي كم زمشالك أنا معصوف كفيت اللون إشتي. سلذا أنا ترحكم كن كالونا لو الحرب لنا لي so let them come in, my friend. Let them come in, Mr. President Biden.
It's awful start from scratch.
The president pressed on whether he would get out of the race if his team told him Kamala Harris was more likely to beat Donald Trump.
Well, here you go. Yes, if Kamala Harris is going to be due, yeah, it's okay. We can take it. We can take it. It's better than Biden, Malet. So she's not that strong enough, Malet. And of course, بزح حليفة كم female, كم قالن ستيتي. بزح دك نشتغل مرت أخلا بزح ون she's a black strong كتركب تخليها ني ترامب بايدن بيت كتجبره أو كبر يخلي جن at least كبايدن is 100% is better than معناته بايدن إذا محمد أصلا يكون زوج الله خدس بله بايدن is good بايدن is ambassador again enough is enough simple word he got it enough he's done مالتي So Edmund Akhilo. So Trump most likely can beat Trump. All right, let's see that.
No, unless they came back and said, there's no way you can win. Me. No one's saying that. No poll says that.
But with anxious
So no police say that. Okay. No police say that. Okay, he does. The police, by the way, I don't know why he might know that. Gala police one, like Kamala Harris is passed on him. Kamala Harris so no one said that I am the best. Okay, let's get it.
Democrats and eager Republicans watching every word with increased scrutiny on the president's abilities. His answer to the very first question drawing attention when he misspoke.
قدامي تحطه تحت ترى انت عانت جيجا هم تفترة بدي أروى قدامي تحطه يتحيته. Let's see what he make it a mistake man. أبدي أنت عانت جيجا هم زجور أروى.
Look, I wouldn't have picked vice president.
Look this. I wouldn't have picked a vice president Trump to be a vice president. Like he's confusing أبدي. أحوال. Kamala Harris, Trump's vice president, Trump's vice president, not No, it's Kamala Harris. What are you doing, my friend? Like, can we get kind of some vice president? This is number one point, Malati. I wouldn't have picked a vice president Trump to be a vice president. What are you talking about? Biden, come on, you got to step aside, my friend. Look this again. Let's do that.
I wouldn't have picked Vice President Trump to be vice president, but I think she was not qualified to be president.
Look this. But I think she was not qualified to be a president. Okay. Vice president. Okay. Trump ni vice president نخون بقع سلطة إمارات إبرالله تا ترامب تبلازله كمال هاريس جن نبريزيدنت تكون كم بقعة يكون تنبلنا. I think she was not qualified to be a president. Like, what is this? Look, okay, نغطل.
Be president. So let's start there.
Former President Trump and his allies immediately seizing on that mistake.
Right now, Donald Trump is using that to mock your age and your memory. How do you combat that criticism from tonight?
Listen to him.
It came after a
listen to him. That's so funny. By the way, it was a lot of questions. No, but this حقتنا بس list هي كيفكم نزل لهم غير خم بواكم ينتم حتى تحت. That's us. Why is a president? هاجر يكونن بالاسم شالكم أمريكا عالم درجات مرحلة خن بلاون مجنان يكونن مالتي. So he need that to be careful that. list يبكم نزل لهم بازي غير خصو عقم ينقل لهم نتم غازتنيات نتم أبزحت نمربات. Now, Biden is enough, my friend.
similar misstep earlier in the day.
In the day while the introduction Netana Ukraine president introduced Netana Ukraine president Kalali Holo. Look this.
Introducing Ukrainian President Zelensky, but that time he caught it.
Ladies and gentlemen, President Putin.
Look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, President Putin. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Look this.
President Putin.
No, what are you talking about? Look at this.
He caught it.
Ladies and gentlemen, President Putin. President Putin.
He got remember that. I'm glad he remembered that. He just Zakira. No, President Putin. Like it's not Putin. Come on, it's like
President Putin. President Zelensky.
This morning, Congressman James Clyburn, one of the president's strongest allies.
I'm again like visual command.
Speaking to Craig on Today about whether Democrats should keep talking about whether the president should drop out.
Should that conversation continue?
No, it shouldn't.
The conversation should be over.
No, the conversation should focus on the record of this administration, on the alternative to his election, and let Joe Biden continue to make his own decisions.
But he still left the door open to the president possibly making a different decision before the convention.
Okay, yeah, some Democratic, that's fine. But asserta shomante hon Democratic is still calling for the President Biden to step aside. Like, look this source, like on the bottom, 18 of them. All right, down for this. Okay. I know. Right. Okay. All right. Gala Captain donors. Tom Ganzab donors go. I think Shwat Milan Gala donors go. Let's see what he's saying. Democratic donors يوم دياتهم كباب كل 250 مليون تواتيو نتي نمرج از خون 9 مليون خونغن او هولد خوين له مالتي. Let's see John is coming in here what he's going to say. By the way Fox News كازي كارخيبم كا مفتتهم.
John Morgan's a major Biden donor who just canceled his next fundraiser. So why'd you cancel?
I didn't cancel it.
Well, I didn't cancel. What I did is paused, and what I told.
Yeah, سلامتا cancel جيرك. I think كندي مليوني واتي donate جير cancel icon جير pause جير أو بليز الله. So he's one of them مالتي.
The campaign is this: until it's resolved and until I have a date, I'm not going to raise money. This
until I got a date like this. The only thing like millionaire, billionaire, I don't know who's this guy. So he's done. He's Biden see. Not gonna just anywhere like Biden have to be step aside. Okay, that's all. هجي نعود راح يكون انت بدل بايدن دحر زي اكشن تزي وسير له تناتو ليجاسي كما يزبولو ولا مجمراون it's not good for him. First of all, if he showed up, Trump is gonna win no matter what. He's gonna win. So I don't think so. Even in the Trump beats Gabor Democratic one already we'll see what happens. So who knows, somehow so the end Halif Wagon, it's gonna be tough for him too.
This is a decision for President Biden. I've been a friend and donor for a long, long time. And friends don't run, they wait, and I'm waiting on him. So I didn't cancel, I paused waiting for him.
What exactly are you?
So no we حمتات friend ina كل ጊዜ ون فاندز قبريخ هاتمات يلون نمنقس مريچاسي هاتمات فاندز قبرو خباب 250 فاند تغيرلو مالتي so friend ina ገንዘብ ሁሉ ሻዕደ ዋጽ ግን I'm waiting for him. It's በዘሉ ነው it's enough is enough مالتي.
Are you waiting for? He says he's in it to win it.
What I'm waiting for is a date. Whether it's at the end of August or at the beginning of September, I just need a date. I'm not going to raise money without a date and a function. I mean, people want to meet him. That's just part of the deal. So for this event, I've already raised $1 million, and I will continue to raise that money if they give me a date. But if there's no date, there's no fundraising.
So you need to see and smell and touch and poke and prod him in an environment that's unscripted to just kind of kick the tires, test this guy out, because you're not stupid. You're not going to sink millions of dollars into a guy that's going to collapse. And they won't give you a date. They won't say this is when we'll show up to take your money.
Well, they'll always take your money, Jesse. Don't ever worry about that. But the point is, this is Florida. I'm in Florida. Does he swing back through here again? I don't know. But for me and for my donors, you're right. They're going to want to meet him. They want to see him. They want to talk to him. They want to hear from him. But they don't want to just write a big check without the picture. Believe it or not, a lot of this money is written to get a picture so you can put it on the wall at your office.
Mm-hmm. I have one of those, but I didn't.
Well, like that's a good point. Is the date? Is there like more data August week September 1st? It's like either I don't know. Biden must be strong. I don't know. كابي محمد. I do حكمنا خيديو كل شجريو. أنت إذا بلاو تم neurologist. I حاتتون double check نخبر خمسة حتى إذا قلت مالتي. I'm okay. They said fine. إذا بلاو لكن still he's like messing up. يقبرالو. So date it's بزلو أنا ندحر سلام على نسو بقعيو له ندحر زبلا رأي خينو he's not gonna stop مالتي. كالب أوباما Obama and Clinton كلهم صادم kind of sweep عزي. They don't want just to step aside. I want to load them like أنديهم especially Obama سينا مسيز اللي Chuck Schumer ناي senator حلافي نانسي بلوسي እዚኦም ዳርጋ ሕጂ እንታይ ኮይኑሎም ኩሎም ባይደን ሃቭ ቱ ቢ ስቶፕ ዳውን ማለት ሲ ፕሬዚደንት ኦባማ እንድሕር ኢሉ ክሊንተን እንድሕር ኢላ ላይክ ፕሎሲ እንድሕር ኢላ ናንሲ ፕሎሲ ማለት እዩ ናይ ሃውስ ስፒከርስ ነበረት ናይ ዲሞክራቲክ እንደን ቻክ ሹመር ከዓ ናይ ሴኔተር ሓላፍ እንድሕር ኢሎም እዞም ኣርባዕቲኦም ሞክሹር እንድሕር ኢሎም ካብዞም ኣርባዕቲኦም ዳርጋ ካይንድ ኦፍ ሰይድ ኦኬ ዋላ ፅሑፋት ኣለኹ ርኢና ሶ እዚኦም እንድሕር ስቴፕ ኣሳይድ ኢሎሞ I think so he's going to be say okay ማለት they didn't say any word ግን they are kind of concerned ማለት እዞም ኩሎም ቢሊዮነራት and ሚሊዮነራት ከዓ እንድሕር ገንዘቦም fundraising ጠጠቆ ብሎ ጀሚሮም that's going to be another way ማለት so let's see what happened but ንሱ as of today I will move forward is ዘሎ ክቅፅል የጥራሕ ህዝብ ዘሎ ማለት let's see what happened
Didn't have to pay anything. My lucky guy.
Well, that's because you are Jesse.
That's right. I'm not as lucky as you in some other areas, but I think we've both done well. Thank you so much, John.
Yeah, that is كل اللي حكيتهم بودر ليهم حوات. This is to donors, like donors to be pro-Biden support PAC era say to withhold the roughly 90 million decision withhold such as like it's a big money. Yeah, they just want to stop this money. They want to see something. ማለት technically drop ገይሩ ቅየር ከባቢ 18 ዲሞክራቲክ ሓትሎ ስለዚ so we'll see what happened እዚ ሕዋት ከባቢ ብዙሕ ገንዘብ ይተዋጽዩ እዚ ገንዘብ ዝተዋጽአ ግን I don't know what happened ማለት ታይናን ብዘልና ያ እንድሕር ውጽኢታዊ ኮይኑ ኦኬ ባይደን is okay ክቅጽል እዩ ከብል እዩ at least ቢት ክገብሮ እዩ ዋላ ቢት ተዘይገብሮስ ንሱ ክመላለስ እንድሕር ትብል ኮንካ ክቅጽል ይኽእሉ እዮም ግን እዚ very it's kind of little hard neti democratic abs gizezi ስለዚህ yeah president biden like I'm running and then we are going to win he said that lama ant ማለት tonight lama ant I'm running we are going to win okay launching strict attacks on former president Donald Trump at the rally in Detroit so he's still doing it let me see what they said next week okay did I say House Republican Friday okay I don't know Republican GOP was nominated. Okay, I thought I said it. Baal Obama galantai lamalit. All right. So this is the one it is. Let me see. 290 President Malit. So far, Trump is number one. 60 cent is Trump is Susasanti Malit. He's gonna be the leader. He's gonna be the president election Malit. Joe Biden 26 cent and Kamala Harris 10 cent. So still Kamala Harris and Biden in mahalalu fihim abzi hwat. Halfon ira. Let's see this graph malit. Biden abzin Trump abzin here. Sorry. Trump he's right in here. I know look at all right, Trump is right in here. Trump is right in here. Way high 60 cent. Biden and Kamala Harris nalokum. Kamala Harris abzi halaf Harris halifat nira nalokum. July 6 except July 7 halifat nira. Then down kena ንሱ ኣብ ኮይኑ so look this ንሱ ኣብ ኣሎ ኣብዝኻ ኣብ July 10 ከዓ ንሳ ሓሊፋ ነራ 23 ክሳብ July 11 and ሎም still July 12 ከዓ ንሳ ዳውን ኮይና ንሱ ሃያ ኣሎ 27 ኣሎ ንሳ ከዓ ከባቢ 19 ኣላ so back and forth እዮም ዝገብሩ ዘሎ ኣብ መንጎ ክልቲኦም ማለት እዩ ኒውሰን እንድሕር ኣድ ክንገብሮ ኮይና ናይ ካሊፎርኒያ still Newsom is right in here he's way down so ናይ California governor ማለት he's not going to beat it I don't think so let's see what happened ኣብዚ ውሽጢ 48 ሰዓታት like 3 መዓልቲ 4 መዓልቲ is he Biden's going to be said thank you and then yeah I'm going to resign let's see what happened if not it's going to be gift what it's like a really gift ማለት እዩ oh should I go ኳን ጸኒሕ መስለን let me show you this it's going to be yeah I guess should I go ኳን ጸኒሕ really yeah let me show you this እዚያ ግራፍ ትሪኡ ኣለኹም ኣብዚ ሓለ like Trump is right in here way up what 60 ሳንቲም ማለት like 60% በሎ ንሱ ክዕወት ምዃኑ እዩ ዘሎ ቲ just ቲ ፕላትፎርም ናይ predictions ገብሮ ዘሎ ግምታት ማርኬት ማለት እዩ ኣብዚ Kamala Harris ሓሊፋቶ ነራ like July 6 ወርሒ 7/6 ማለት እዩ ሓሊፋቶ ነራ ንትራምፕ ንሳ ክትዕወት ዝብል ተስፋታት ነይሩ እንደገና ካ ተመሊሳ ንሳ ዳውን ከና ኣብ July 8 ማለት እዩ still እንደገና ኣብዚ ካ ኣብ July 10 ውን ሓሊፋቶ ቀፂላ ሓሊፋቶ ንባይደን ሕጂ ካ ዳውን ኣላ so back and forth ዘሎ so ንሳ ከባቢ 18 cent ክትኮን ከላ 18 ሳንቲም ክትኮን ከላ ንሱ 26 ሳንቲም ኣሎ ማለት እዩ just ብሳንቲም እዚ ለማ percent ካብሉ ወሳይ don't know why so Newsom እንድሕር እቲና ናይ California government ከኣብዝ ታሕቲ ዘሎ so most probably ሕጂ ዘለና ኣማራፂ ወይ ከዓ ዲሞክራቲክ ዘለዎም ኣማራፂ ኣብዛ ሰዓት እዚኣ most probably she is ማለት እዩ she's going to be a president ነዚ ቁሩብ መዓልቲ and then she's going to be trying to beat Trump ማለት እዩ I don't know if she's going to make it or not ናቱ ቪድዮ ብዝኾነ ዕልዮ ነይሩ ንሳ ታፍ ከም ዝኾነት እዩ ገሊፁ so maybe who knows she can win it if not Trump እንድሕር ባይደን መፅኦም finalize ገይርዋ ግን it's a gift for Trump my friend just a gift for Trump ማለት እዩ so right okay ካልኦት ሶርሳት እንድሕር ደሊኹም ኣሕዋት ክትርእይዎ ትኽእሉ ኢኹም just donors yeah just ንብሎ ፀናሕና ኣብዚ ንህለኩም just yeah donors to be pre-Biden support PAC area said withhold the roughly 90 millions ማለት እዩ ክሳብ 9 ሚሊዮን ይኹን ጠጠው ወይ ማቢሎም ዘለዎ So yeah, that's all. It's gonna be nice. Let's see what happens. I know Trump. No. Yeah, I have any good things about Trump. How's Trump win? So yeah, let's see what happens. But if Trump no Democratic, they have to get somebody. He just a girl like Obama, Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer, and then Clinton family. Clinton Bala, sorry. እዚኦም ሰባት እዚኣቶም እቶም strong እዮም ሕጂ እዚኦም kind of they know what happened they can see that they have to sit and talk with Biden ማለት እዩ so alright ባይደን ተጠዋብልካ መን ይኽመፅን ዝብል ሕቶ ዓብይ ሕቶ ፈጥረሎም ኣሎ ንዖም alright let's what happened in this ኣብ 3 መዓልቲ 4 መዓልቲ ገለ ንርኢ ንኸውን ከም እንድሕር ኮይኑኻ it's going to be gift for Trump ማለት እዩ Trump is lucky thanks guys alright thanks so much alright